how to fix Telegram login problem. If you have the login problem on Telegram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it again. Now let's go back, go to the apps manager page right here. As you can see, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Open Telegram. Now this is the Telegram app informations on your phone. Click here on this forward stop and then go down to the permissions, and then you need to make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. Go back, click on storage, click on this clear cache, and now all that you have to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.